At Property Damage Solutions, we understand that water damage and mold growth can be overwhelming. But you don't have to face it alone. Our team of certified experts is here to restore your property and your peace of mind. Water damage can strike at any moment, whether it's from a burst pipe, severe storm, or a slow leak. The longer it goes untreated, the more extensive the damage becomes. That's why our first step is a thorough inspection to assess the extent of the damage. Once we've assessed the situation, our team gets to work immediately. Using advanced water extraction technology, we remove standing water to prevent further damage and reduce the risk of mold growth. After water extraction, the drying process begins. We use high-powered fans and dehumidifiers to eliminate moisture from the air and surfaces, ensuring your property is thoroughly dried and safe. Even with the best water damage restoration, mold can develop in hidden areas. Our certified technicians conduct a comprehensive mold inspection, testing the air and surfaces to identify any mold presence. If mold is detected, we take swift action to contain the affected areas, preventing spores from spreading. Our team safely removes contaminated materials and treats the area with antimicrobial solutions to eliminate mold and prevent it from returning. Once the water damage and mold remediation are complete, we begin the restoration process. From replacing damaged drywall to repainting and flooring, we work tirelessly to bring your property back to its pre-damage state. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We walk you through every step of the restoration process, ensuring that all your concerns are addressed. At Property Damage Solutions, we don't just restore properties. We restore peace of mind. If you're facing water damage or mold issues, don't wait. Call Property Damage Solutions today and let our experts handle it. Contact us at 859-302-9666. We're here for you 24/7. Property Damage Solutions, restoring homes, restoring lives, restoring peace of mind.